Alright, the latest haul. Here we go. A lot of projects here. Found a Delta Unisaw from a school shop. It's actually a guy who purchased a bunch of stuff from a school shop. There's a Delta Unisaw here that we'll work on with a single phase bullet. The top for that is right there. It's got rails but no fence, so I think I'll try to track down a microset or a jet lock fence. And then here we have a Delta HD shaper that has both dust doors and both wings, and then an Allen Bradley starter with one of those Delta mounting plates that they made. Haven't got far enough to see if it's single phase or three phase yet. And then also a J-line disc sander from a school shop as well. The J-line Broadhead Garrett products were marketed towards school shops. They made they made joiners, planers, table saws, sanders, etc. And so this one's a single phase. There's the capacitor there, you can tell, and that one fired up fine. And then also a Wilton single phase. I believe it's 15-inch variable speed with a sort of, I think it's a Reeves drive here. Yep. So this one fired up as well. Needs some work cleaning up and getting everything all lubed up properly. And then picked up a fully restored Unisaw for a friend. And that one looks beautiful. The guy was from OWWM, did a great job restoring it, and was trying to help a friend track down a good saw. And this one is ready to go for the most part. He did a great job. I may just switch out the original Cutler hammer switch for an Allen Bradley starter like that, because the friend wants some thermal protection for it. But this guy did a great job. His name is Joe. Really knows his stuff. Has done a bunch of projects and a bunch of Unisaws, and had a great time getting to know him. And then here's another one that's in process here that goes with that cabinet there. There's the internals for that one. And then Joe had a goose egg with this Unisaw over there, so that's pretty cool. And then here's another Unisaw in process there. And then here's this Powermatic 30A that I'm working on. And then over here, little Delta bandsaw, and then another Unisaw here that's from late 70s, early 80s. So got a lot going on in here. Gonna have lots of videos about all these in the coming weeks, so stay tuned and see what we find out about all these pieces of machinery. Enjoy. Peace.
Hey, thanks for watching. Hope the video's been helpful for you. Feel free to subscribe using the subscribe link, and if you've benefited from the channel and enjoy what you see here, consider donating by using the PayPal link that's on my banner picture on my YouTube channel homepage. I put out a video per week. Hope they're helpful. Anything else I can do, contact me. Thanks a lot.